In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a custom digital download listing on Etsy, specifically designed for a private order. This process allows you to offer personalized products to your customers while ensuring that the listing remains exclusive to them. We'll go through each step together so you'll feel confident in setting it all up seamlessly. Let's begin by logging into your Etsy account. Open your favorite web browser and head to Etsy.com. Once there, simply sign in using your credentials. You'll be navigated directly to the home page once logged in. The next step is to access the Shop Manager. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll find your profile icon here. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Shop Manager. This section is the hub for managing all aspects of your Etsy shop, from orders to listings. Now that you're in the Shop Manager, it's time to create a new listing. On the left sidebar, you'll notice an option labeled Listings. Click on that and then hit Add a Listing. This will take you to the page where you can set up the details for your custom order. When titling your custom listing, clarity is key. For instance, you might want to name it Custom Digital Download Private Order to avoid any confusion. In the description box, clearly explain that this is a personalized order crafted specifically for the buyer at hand. This builds trust and ensures transparency. For the digital file section, upload a placeholder file to get started. This could be a simple document or image that states custom order in progress. Remember, you can return to update it with the actual file later. Proceed with setting the price and quantity according to your plan or agreement with the buyer. Moving on, let's make sure the listing is private to maintain exclusivity. Scroll down to find the section that says Who can see this listing? Here, select the option that allows only buyers with a direct link to view the listing. On some occasions, Etsy may not offer an explicit private option. If that's the case, keep the listing as unpublished or in a draft format to prevent it from going public prematurely. Once you've saved the draft or published the private listing, copy the URL of the listing you've just created. This link is how your buyer will access the custom order. Send it directly to them via Etsy Conversations or email, whichever is your preferred method of communication. Finally, after your buyer places the order, it's time to deliver the actual custom digital download. Head back into the order details within Shop Manager, and under the Download Files section, upload the final custom file. Etsy will automatically notify your buyer that their custom download is ready and available. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to offering custom digital downloads on Etsy, while maintaining control over visibility and exclusivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.